1125 can be used either with or without the guide tube. To remove the guide tube, pull the guide tube out of the ring on the frame which holds it in place. Unscrew the guide tube from the guide tube bracket. To remove the guide tube bracket, use the T-handle tool provided with the machine to loosen the socket hex screw located at the middle of the guide tube bracket, which will free the swing clip. Allow the swing bolt to move downward and lift the guide tube bracket off of the frame. To remove or switch reels, loosen the two T-bolts holding the steel head bearing. Pull the reel assembly forward, then lift up to remove. Note the drive plate at the back of the unit, which aligns the reel properly and makes it rotate when in operation. When loading cable into a machine, place the cable box upward. This means that the part number will be face up, so when looking at the box from the side, you will be able to read the part number. When taking cable out of the box, it is important to take the correct end out first. This is the end with the cable tag on it. Taking the wrong end of the cable out first could cause the cable to kink or nest. When taking the cable tag off, please keep the tag in case of a defect in material, which will make it easier to return the product. After taking the tag off, insert the end of the cable into the steel head bearing, which will guide the cable into the revolving arm through the inner reel and into the main reel. When using the guide tube, leave approximately 4 to 5 feet of cable outside the reel when loading. Slide the guide tube over the cable and align the guide tube bracket onto the two split pins on the front of the machine. Rotate the swing clip into place and tighten using the T-handle provided. When transporting the machine, slide the end of the guide tube into the guide tube bracket located on the inside of the frame rail.